Okay, so if you are anything like me, you are already getting excited for the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. I know I am already on the countdown. And today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you kind of a tour, a snapshot of some of my favorite parade homes from the last couple of, parades. And comment down below, let me know what you're hoping to be able to see more of in this upcoming parade in 2024. If there's anything that you want me to shoot videos of, but I'm going to share some of my favorites that I have seen from the last few years. And again, if you're thinking about like, oh man, I want to see more of this or more of this, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you like best. Let me know what you want to see more of. And I'd love to shoot videos of that. So sit back, relax, and let's hop into the Utah Valley Parade of Homes, some of my favorites from the past couple of years. Okay, so what did you think of those absolutely gorgeous parade homes? If you're anything like me, you're probably getting super giddy about visiting the 2024 Utah Valley Parade of Homes that is coming up. Let me know if you are planning on attending the parade this year. Again, if you have questions about any of those previous homes, builders, anything, I would love to answer any questions that you may have. Also, if you are thinking about building, if you're thinking about moving out here, my team and I help people like you all the time, and we absolutely love it. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. I'm a licensed and active real estate agent here in Utah, and I absolutely love helping people like you. We do have a Moving to Utah guide. It is free. If you'd like a copy of that free Moving to Utah guide, comment the word down below, guide, GUIDE, and I'd love to send that over to you. Wishing you a fantastic rest of your day and week, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Have a great one. Bye.